Have you ever tried to create a beautiful table in R, only to find that pesky NAs are ruining your design? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to print blanks instead of NAs when using the Formattable package in R. I totally get it. You want your tables to look clean and professional, but those NAs can be a real eyesore. You're not alone in this struggle. Many R users face the same issue when formatting their data. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do I see NAs instead of blanks when using Formattable in R?" They provided a data frame and shared their frustration about how the NAs keep appearing despite their efforts. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this? The Formattable package used to automatically print blanks for NAs, but it seems that behavior has changed. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand how to fix it. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you format your tables like a pro and keep those NAs at bay. To address the issue of printing blanks instead of NAs in the table, the user should first replace the NAs in the data frame with empty strings. This can be done using a simple command. Next, the user can apply the Formattable function to the modified data frame. This will allow the user to format the table while ensuring that the blanks are displayed instead of NAs. However, if the user wants to format the age column to display 2 decimal places, they should use the digits function. This is where the NAs may reappear. To maintain the formatting while avoiding NAs, the user can create a custom function that formats the data frame and handles NAs appropriately. This function will ensure that the color scales remain consistent. Finally, the user can call this custom function with the desired subset of the data frame. This will allow them to see the formatted table without NAs and with the correct decimal places. Did you know? The first version of R was released in 1995, and it has come a long way since then. But even with all its advancements, some issues still persist, like those pesky NAs. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user offers a different solution using the *remove all function. They explain that since color bar produces HTML output as a character, you can remove the string NA directly. However, they caution that this could affect other instances of NA in your HTML. They also suggest wrapping your variable in a % function to convert it to a percentage before applying color bar. The user provides an example showing the output before and after the second mutate, demonstrating how NA is removed from the HTML output. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check your data for NAs before formatting. A little preparation can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your tables should now display blanks instead of NAs, making them look much cleaner. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on advanced formatting techniques.